All right. So, ooh, crazy hair. Um, just did the driver's meeting. Oh man, this beard is wild right now. Woo, woo. Just did the driver's meeting. I guess some basic notes from the driver's meeting. They added moguls, some jumps down on the apron to keep us from racing on that. They have an area coming out of turn 4. Pole doesn't set the pace. The front row together sets the pace, and they start the race. And then we go to outlaw restarts. Second place does get to choose inside or outside. What's other stuff? Oh, so it's like middle of turn 4 to coming out of turn 4 where they start the initial race, but after the initial race start, any restarts, it's basically the end, right in the center of the corner. End of 3, beginning of 4, all the way to coming out of the corner where the leader gets to start the race. Once he gasses up, then they throw the green, and if he's not green by the time he comes out of the corner, they'll throw the green. So that's kind of interesting. So you'll probably see the leaders take off, randomly whenever they want. What else was interesting? One and you're done. They're going to do their best to be only involved, or rather, I think they said only caused. If you cause the caution, if you spin your car trying to stay away from it and you stay out of it, they won't penalize you, I guess. And yeah, heat races, no, we don't have any pit stuff. We're not allowed to bring any, well, we can bring a tire or something with us if we get a flat to be able to drive it back to the trailer, but we're not really allowed to bring anything. This is the other piece. We're gonna have 3 feature races, and 30 cars in each. That means 90 cars. There's 180 modifieds registered. I don't know if that's how many are here. So it sounds like they're only taking the top half. It is not by where you finish to get into the feature. They're doing it by passing points. So a guy that starts in the very back that passes 4 cars might, get more points than, I don't know, there's a chart. But it's all off of passing points. So, if I start 3rd and finish 2nd, hopefully that's enough in the passing point range to actually make it into a feature. But I don't know. I honestly don't know. You're competing against 180 other cars, and you got to be in the top 90 with passing points. Get on their BristolDirt.com. I think they have a scale on what they're doing for passing points and stuff like that. I think they're going to have lineups and things on there as well if you want to check that out. Yeah, it's going to be weird. How am I doing up here? I'm doing all right. I'm a little tired, a little frustrated still. I went over to the fuel trailer. Fuel guys still weren't even here. So I still got to run over there, and I'm going to need at least 5 more gallons to get through today if I make it to a feature. I got enough for the heat, but yeah, so hopefully they'll have some more methanol. They said definitely by Tuesday night or Wednesday morning, so but I'm hoping they have some here now so I can, I'm gonna make the feature, so I'm gonna need that fuel, right? So but I'm doing good. Physically a little tired. This different time zone thing's catching up to me, but and the staying up super late, trying to get everything worked out. Got the header on, car fired up, drove, ran good, went through tech. I guess I'm not 100% sure because they have us just kind of on this road and it is a little wavy. It's not perfect. And they measured let this car go by. They measured my right rear deck panel to be a 1/2 inch high, which is absurd. I'm usually like a 1/2 inch below, so I'm gonna double check that, address that real quick, make sure that it is what it is, or maybe just it was the road or whatever. Ooh, and I know you guys have that wonderful, that trick, you know, when they're measuring your back, if you turn the wheel all the way to the right, I believe it drops the left rear, and if you turn the wheel all the way to the left, it drops the right rear. Is that the way it goes? Comment below if you know. Or I'm gonna try it out here in the pits. I've never had to do it before because I've always had a low deck panel. So all right, well, I'm gonna get everything settled, and I gotta check what lineups and stuff are, and I'm gonna get some food in me, and we're gonna go racing. We start racing here at 4 o'clock. I believe they start with the sport mods. Yep, that's one of them going by. I believe we start with the sport mods, and then the modifieds are right after. So the first 10 heat races are going to be sport mods. The next 10 will be modifieds. So I should be in that group. I would assume, if you're looking for a time, I would assume that would be around 5 o'clock or 5:30 if everything's going well, because they got to pull them out and pull us in. But we start racing at 4, and then, you know, just stay tuned. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, you know, inform you guys. I'll probably be running around like a chicken with my head cut off. So we're gonna go have a good time, put on a good show, and I'll talk to you guys later. 2,500 miles, and they put the two Nevada boys together. What the heck? I'm gonna go out there and do my best, guys. Either way, gonna be having fun in Bristol. Thank you for all the support. Guys, not gonna lie, I'm a mixture of nervous as hell and excited as hell. I'm gonna let you go watch this thing, go stream it. We're getting ready to, I think they're gonna do a little track prep before we start. I'm not sure. It was starting to sprinkle a little bit, so they might just run us on it. I don't know. So I'm gonna go out, have fun, do my best, and we're gonna have a good time. So we'll see you guys later. right, what up, guys? Okay, so let's go over heat race. Started outside second row in my heat race, and don't laugh, but on the very first lap when they dropped the green, my foot came off the throttle. So yeah, I don't know what that was. So my foot came off the throttle at the drop of the green, coming under the flag stand. I don't know if I was just too antsy or what was going on there, but that's what happened there. I fell back a little bit. I actually don't know how far I fell back, but I know I ended up having to pass some cars, and I finished 6th. I am happy with a 6th. I do believe I could have and should have done better, but it's the little mistakes that kill you here, right? So, oh well. And then, so good news is I qualified for an A main tonight. You got to be in the top 90 cars with the passing points, and I made it. So I'll be in the second main event, 11th row inside. They're gonna start 30 cars, so hold on to your shorts. First handful of laps probably going to be about survival. So I'm gonna jump on the car, start working on tires, going through everything. We don't have a whole lot of time. I think they are running sport mods here shortly. They're going to do their 10 heat races, and then they're going to go right into the 602 crate late models, their 3 main events, and then they're going to bring us out for our main event. So I don't have a whole lot of time. Danny, the passing points, they actually, if I fall back, it doesn't really help the points. What they look at for passing points is if I started 4th and then finished 2nd, I'd get those 2 sets of passing points. So if I finish, or if I start 4th and I move back to 6th, it doesn't look like I lose points until I lose like 3 or 4 spots. So so going backwards don't help, and then getting them back. You gotta go forward and keep going forward. So, but that's how it is. And thank you guys for the support. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of it, and I hope you're enjoying the video and stuff. I got a couple of my friends that are helping me out doing video stuff, which has been fantastic, and I hope they're getting good content for you while we're running around here. So I'm gonna stop yip yapping. I still got to make sure I got enough methanol to finish tonight, because I haven't even looked to see how much I burned up in that heat race. So I'm gonna get to work, and hopefully we will chat back at you probably when we go out for the mains. So I'll talk to you guys later. Again, thank you all for the support. Catch you later. All right, guys. Yeah, bad news. We are not going to be able to race tonight. But it's not because of me or the car. It's a rain delay. So we're not going to race our main events tonight. Apparently we're going to finish up our show starting tomorrow at 2 p.m. our time. And then go from there. So I just wanted to let you guys know, I was out there wrenching on the car in the rain trying to get it ready, and got all done except for putting my tires back on. Came inside to dry off a little bit, and I just got the text message that says that we are rain delayed until tomorrow. So they expected rain, and tonight was going to be the night that we expected rain, and well, showed up. So we will move on and do main events tomorrow, and then we're done after the mains tomorrow. Technically we weren't supposed to race tomorrow, so, and then we'll come back and do some more Wednesday. But I'm going to bid you all good night. We're going to eat dinner. It's actually a fairly early night. It's 8:30 right now, so we're going to do dinner, and Probably get ready for the nappy nap. So we will talk to you guys later and go from there.